Hi there and welcome back. So in this video we're going to learn about the commercial usage rules for the AI art or AI content we generate on Adobe Firefly, and this will answer the question of whether or not we can actually sell these products or use them for commercial purposes, right? So in order to get the answers to our questions, we have to come to the website firefly.adobe.com and just scroll down to the footer here. Now on the footer you're going to see terms of use, so all we need to do is click on terms of use, and it's going to go ahead and open the Adobe legal terms of usage. And now here we can go ahead and read about our terms of use, and we can see that this is a really lengthy article. So we will just come here and jump to number 4, which is your content. And now here you are able to read about your content, right? So we just have to read what we have here. So I'm just going to skip to this place because number 1 is just showing you, 4.1 is just showing you what it means by content. Okay, so of course your content is the thing you generate, the art work you generate using your AI in this case. And now the 4.2 tells us about the licenses to your content. Okay, so solely for the purpose of operating or improving the service and software, you grant us a non-exclusive, worldwide, royalty-free, sub-licensable license to use, reproduce, publicly display, distribute, modify, create derivative works based on, publicly perform or translate the content. Okay, so for example, we may sub-license our right to the content to our service providers or to other users to allow the service and software to operate as intended. Okay, so this is basically telling you that the content you generate, if in case let's say you saved it under your favorites and or give Adobe access to that content, they have the right to kind of use the content in whatever way they deem fit. Okay, so that's basically what this point is telling you. And then the 4.3 is about the ownership of the content. Okay, as between you and Adobe, you retain all rights and ownership of your content, okay, and have a valid license to the content. We do not claim any ownership rights to your content, so it means you can actually use your content in whatever way you deem fit. You can sell these contents, you can use them for commercial purposes, you can just use them in any way you deem fit. Okay, so that's what this rule, or rather this statement, is telling us. So that's the reality with Adobe Firefly. Let's just go back to the website, and now we can see that we actually have the rights to use our content in whatever way we deem fit. So we have the liberty, we have the rights, and with this we've successfully answered one of the most important questions in every beginner's mind. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.